Hey everyone, it's nail day, and I hope that everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I missed you guys so much, but it's always good to have a little break here and there. Anyways, my first client was Faye, and you guys know this is my favorite part. Just look at how satisfying it is just to clean up the cuticle area. But my client actually did let me know that her nail beds were damaged previously because the nail tech that she had gone to did overfile her nail beds where it was burning her nails and they were just super paper thin and sensitive. But don't worry guys, she did wait a couple of months before actually going to get her nails done again, and she chose me. But we went in with some white and Classic Nude by Valentino and this beautiful rich red. Look at how buttery it is, and it's not running all over the place. It's called Candy Apple by Hint Hint Elegance Nail Supply, and this is how beautiful they came out. I absolutely love this set. My second client is Bernice, and you guys know I love her so much. It's going to be 4 years in January that she has been coming to me. We went in with the Nails and Blinks Tapered Coffin Nail Tips, and then I'm cutting them to the desired length. Now, she did want to do a pretty simple design this time, or not even a design, it was just like a full color. I used Mystique by Elegance as well. It's such a beautiful creamy white with a hint of sparkle in it. Now, the reason why she is doing a simple set this time is because she did book 2 for December. One of them is going to be like a snow vibes, like frosty nail set, and then the other one's going to be a red set for Christmas. But this is how sparkly this white is. It's one of my favorite colors. And then I, of course, filed, shaped, sealed the cuticle, and then look at how cute these came out. This is with the flash and then without it. My third client of the day, her name is Ashi. She's actually Bernice's sister-in-law. She's with Bernice's younger brother. So, of course, I'm prepping the nail plate with the bouncing method with the sanding band, so that way I don't burn my client and leave it in a space for too long. She wanted to do a coffin shape, so I went in with Classic Nude as the base because she did bring me a inspo picture from Pinterest. It's basically like red French tips or V French tips, and then the other 2 fingers had the little snowflakes. This part is honestly super tedious, but I was trying to concentrate so hard so that way I don't mess up. Then I applied Mystique on the gel polish so that way it looks a little sparkly, and they looked so cute. Now, my last client was Violence, and she wanted to do another inspo picture by someone on Instagram. Her @ name is Nails by Cat Cat. She did this beautiful fall set, and it was basically like nude for the base. Look at how sharp that almond Frenchie is. And then I used Hershey's for the brown tips. It's also by Elegance. But basically she added this beautiful brown sugar glitter on the top, and then look at how gorgeous. Hey everyone, it's nail day! So for the movie of the day, we had Christmas Chronicles playing. I actually do really like that movie. And my first client of the day, her name is Jennifer. She wanted to do a Christmas freestyle, or like a winter one, and I was super excited because I was like, yay, I finally get to do some like winter and Christmas sets. She did have a request, which was no big stones or anything like that, so I already knew exactly what I wanted to do. I used this beautiful color called Sapphire. It is one of our best sellers from Elegance Nail Supply. It is super beautiful. It's like a royal blue color with some shimmer in it, but it's like in the actual acrylic. I don't know how to actually explain it, but it is a very beautiful and magical color. And then for the other finger, I did like an ombre as well using this exact same color. And then on one of them, I did a Frenchie, and I used the color Perfect Nude for the cover. It is by Valentino. On the ombre nail, I did add some little white snowflakes, and here I am just building my little Frenchie area. I, of course, made it nice and crisp with the nail file. She also did request them being matte, and then this is how they came out at the end. They were so gorgeous. I was so in love with them. That was before, and then after with flash. My second client is Lauren. She has been having these Grinch water decals in her drawer for like almost 3 years. So she was like, you know what, finally this year I'm going to do some little Grinch nails. So I used the Candy Apple color by Elegance. It's a beautiful rich red. And then Mistletoe as well by Elegance. It's like a green glitter with mixture of greens. And then I put the little Grinch decals, and they were super adorable. And my third client is Monique. You guys know I love doing her nails because she gets them very long. So of course I prepped her natural nails, her cuticle area, and then I was just showing you guys how it looks like when I press her fingers and stuff like at the beginning, because they just naturally get red like that. I don't want you guys thinking that I'm hurting her, but this is the baby blue color I used. It's actually called Baby's Blue as well by Elegance. And then the little shattered glass glitter by Valentino from the Radio Lights collection. Some little snowflakes, and then I did some like an ombre with it in the middle finger, and then a sweater nail, and these were so gorgeous, and I hope you guys Hey everyone, it's nail day, and I know that you guys are really going to love today's nail day because all of the nails were so freaking adorable, cute, beautiful, whatever. So my first client was Braylee, and she wanted to do like a white Christmas type of theme set. So I went in with this gorgeous white. It is like a pearl white. It's by Brother Cosmetics at Brother Nail Tech. It's such a gorgeous color. It has that perfect pearl effect, and I honestly don't know. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know why I went in slow motion. I was trying to do it fast, but I clicked the other one, and then it kept going here, but that was my application, and then here I did like a V-cut little action. I added some like shattered glitter on one of the nails and then like little white snowflakes, and then here I'm making sure to crisp up my V shape, and look at how gorgeous these came out. My second client is Jackie. Now for this set, she did do a red set with a flower last year, so she wanted to do that type of style but in a white version for this year. So I used Classic Nude by Valentino to do the Frenchy area, and then I used this beautiful color called Mystique by Elegance Nail Supply. Don't worry guys, we will restock very soon on this color. I added a 3D side flower, some little gold beads, Swarovskis, and these were so stunning. My third client is Anaya. Now she did get a new job recently, so she had to do her nails pretty short and very simple. She does pick at her hangnails, and if you guys don't know what that is the little skin on the side of your nail that like you kind of rip off and it bleeds. But this is how they came out. They were super cute. And my last client of the day, her name is Leslie, and for this set I was so happy about it because for the first time in forever she got a extra long set. By the way guys, this cuticle bit will be available soon at Elegance Nail Supply. It is so smooth, so amazing for cuticle area. We use these gorgeous colors, which is Candy Apple by Elegance. It is a smooth red, it is not runny at all. And then I use the little gold beads as well to put it in the middle of the poinsettia, some little green leaves, and look at how beautiful. Look at the detail, by the way. And hey everyone, it's nail day. So I actually forgot to record my first client, but it was just a basic classic nude set. Now my second client is Priscilla, which is the nail set I am doing right now, and I really hope that you guys love it as much as I do. So I went in with Mistletoe. It's by Elegance Nail Supply, and then Jade as well by Elegance. And you guys are gonna see why I was so excited, because look, I actually did actual 3D mistletoes, and these were so beautiful. And my last client of the day was Jennifer. Now this was her birthday set, but she still wanted to go like a winter theme, so I went in with those two colors. It was Prince Charming by Elegance, and then that glitter from Valentino. On one of them I did a full blue nail, and then on the other two I did like an ombre and added the little white snowflakes. Then I encapsulated, used this new top coat, wink wink, and that's it. Hey everyone, it's nail day, and for this day's sets, they were so adorable. My first client was Christina. Now this was her first time with me, so she was super excited, especially because she's been trying to book with me for so many months. I prepped and I primed all her natural nails, and then I went in with Nails and Blinks tapered coffin nail tips, and then this is Classic Nude, of course my favorite from Valentino. We did some little Frenchies. I did the little speed up process here so that way you guys can kind of see how I do my Frenchie area. Everybody does it differently, but that's just how I do it. And then I applied these super white as well by Valentino, and then I used these white snowflakes from Elegance Nail Supply. They're part of like a little glitter mixture. And then on one of the nails I did a white Frenchie, and then on the snowflake nails I put like little white abstract nail art and a sweater nail, and they were so cute. Now this client right here, she's my second one. Her name is Ginger, and I was so confused guys when she walked in, I swear, because her voice was the same, her hands were the same, and I was like, you look so familiar. Turns out she's one of my regulars' sister, and they are twins, identical twins. So I just thought that was super funny because I was like, wait, I just saw you last week. But she wanted to do like a pink kind of frosty Christmas vibe set, so I went in with Flamingo, which is a beautiful light pink color by Elegance, and then Plastics, which was that glitter that I showed you guys at the beginning. It's such a beautiful shimmery glitter. Also I did like a side cut so that way I could add the glitter there, and then I did like a little ombre, added the shattered glass glitter, some snowflakes, and I went over it with the Classic Nude to do the ombre, but I kind of did a light coat so that way you can still see the snowflakes. Now she wasn't a huge fan of stones, she told me, so I went in with this matte, added a sweater nail, and then they were so cute. By the way, that matte is coming soon. And my last client of the day, her name is Samantha. I went in with the color Unbleached Silk by Elegance Nail Supply. It's such a beautiful nude brown color. And then I did a lot of nail art. I did a little gingerbread man, some snowflakes, and then I did them fully matte. Matte coming soon. And they were so cute. And that's it guys, bye! Hey everyone, it's nail day! So my first client of the day was Bernice, and the movie we decided to watch was Afterlife of the Party, which in my opinion, I honestly really liked it. For her nails, we decided to go in with Classic Nude, which was the base color for all of the fingers. And here is a little clip of me doing some application. I always have my client's fingers like pointing downwards, that way gravity helps me out, and I don't have the cuticle flooded with acrylic. I decided to do some cute little snowflakes. This is one method to do some snowflakes. It's super easy in my opinion. You just do like 4 or 5 dots going down, and then like you do like 4 corners, and well, you guys get it. And I added some sugar glitter on the corners for some nails, and these came out so cute. And my second client is Violence. The little pink sanding bands are from Nails and Blinks, just like these nail tips. They are the tapered coffin. I also went in with Classic Nude, and for one of the fingers, I did a V-cut. The X-Acto knife, I actually got it from Amazon. And then, of course, I'm going in with my favorite red, which is by Elegance Nail Supply, wink wink. It's called Candy Apple, and then this beautiful green color called Jade. It's perfect for Christmas and all year round. And then I went in with Icy Red, which is also by Elegance. I did a little poinsettia on one of the fingers, added some little details on the petals, so that way it looks more realistic. And then look at how beautiful those came out. And my last client of the day, her name is Ashi, which is Bernice's sister-in-law. Of course, if you guys have seen, she does like her nails a little more slim, so I went ahead and cut the corners of some of the nail tips. And then I went in with Sapphire. Just look at the beauty of this acrylic color. It's by Elegance Nail Supply as well. And then I went ahead and did a little snowman on one of the fingers, some snowflakes on the other one, and then this is how they came out. And that's it.